What's the meaning of autosave? Autosave. Autosave.
Autosave. Autosave. Autosave is a feature in software applications that automatically saves the current state of a document or project at regular intervals without requiring user input. This ensures that work is saved even if the user forgets to manually save or if an unexpected event, such as a power failure or software crash, occurs. Autosave typically creates a backup file that can be used to recover unsaved work. The frequency of autosaves can vary depending on the application, but they are usually configurable in the program settings. Overall, autosave helps to prevent data loss and improve productivity for users.